Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 10 chemistry, acid, base and salt. It is our revision classes. Today is the fourth part of this chapter revision classes. So today we discuss about salt and different types of salt. Okay, different example of salts we are discuss now because the salt is the most important. Okay, for these chapters most of the questions are come from salt. What are preparation of salt, their uses is the most important. That's why these classes are very important. I hope all of you are watch till the end. So let's start. First, what is salt? Already we are discuss the salt are formed by neutralization reaction between acid and base. What are the salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between acid and base. When acid and base are react to form water, salt and water. Okay, when acids react with base and to form water, salt and waters. We discuss one type of salt, that is the common salt. Okay, common salt, and their chemical name are sodium chloride. Sodium chlorides, and the formula of sodium chloride are NaCl, and this NaCl are mostly found in seawater. Okay, the seawater contain many kinds of salt, and the most important salt, this one are the NaCl or common salt. These salt are used as a food. Okay, and that time the some impurities are present in this salt. This one are the looking like brown, or some impurities are present. That's why this is known as a rock salt. What are ROCK, rock salt also called this one. Okay, and this common salt are prepared by the reaction of acid and base. Okay, which acids are HCl are react with a base like NaOH. Okay, and these salt are formed by the reaction between strong acids, that is HCl, and a strong base, that is NaOH, and to form water, the salt of NaCl plus water. Okay, and these reactions are known as what are neutralization reaction. Okay, neutralization reactions. Okay, and these common salts are mainly used for the preparation of sodium hydroxides. Okay, bleaching powder, caustic soda, that is the water, and many industrial preparation also these sodium hydroxides are used, and it is largely used as food. Okay, and this is also known as what a table salt, because this one are the used as food. That's why the common salt are known as what a table salt also. So this is the most important salt. And the second type of salt we are discuss now, that is the caustic soda. What are caustic soda? Okay, caustic soda are the common name are sodium hydroxides. What is common name? Sodium hydroxide. Okay, and the formula are NaOH, sodium hydroxides. Okay, and the common name are what are caustic soda, and these sodium hydroxides are prepared by passing electric currents in aqueous solution of NaCl. Okay, and this aqueous solution of NaCl are called what are brine, BRINE. When aqueous solution of NaCl we pass electricity, then water form NaOH. Okay, sodium hydroxides, and here chlorine gas and hydrogen gas are evolve. Okay, here two gases are released, that is the chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Okay, it is an electrolysis process in which the chlorine gas are evolved at anode and the hydrogen gas are evolved as cathode, and the sodium hydroxide are also deposited at cathode. Okay, this is most important because what type of questions are come. Okay, when aqueous solution of sodium chlorides are pass electricity, this one decompose and form water, sodium hydroxides, that is water, NaOH, and here chlorine gas and hydrogen gas are released. Two, we are balanced two. Okay, and these sodium hydroxides are mainly, there are many uses. Okay, and this is used for the preparation of many household product. Okay, and this chlorine gas also used for the preparation of bleaching powder. What are Cl2 chlorine gas are used for this preparation of bleaching powder. And next, the third type of salt, that is the water bleaching powder. It is most important salt, that is water bleaching powders, and their chemical name are calcium oxychlorides. Calcium oxychlorides, this is their chemical name of bleaching powders, and the formula are CaOCl2. CaOCl2, calcium oxychlorides, and these calcium oxychlorides are prepared by passing chlorine gas over slag lime. Okay, we are pass chlorine gas in slag lime. What are the formula of slag lime? That is CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, that is their chemical name, or slag lime. In slag lime we pass chlorine gas Cl2, then prepare water bleaching powder CaOCl2 plus H2O water. Okay, here the bleaching powders are mainly, they are largely used in the sector of many textile industries, and this is also used in paper industries and laundry industries. Okay, and these bleaching powders are, due to their cleaning actions, it is used for the purification of water, because they have the capable to kill the germs, and it is also used as an oxidizing agent for many industrial or chemical process. So next, the fourth type of salt we are discussed now, that is the baking soda. Baking soda, it is also most important salt. This baking soda are used as a food. That time we have to make pakoda or chips, etc., or this soda are used, okay, in kitchens, and it is prepared by the reaction of sodium chlorides with water and carbon dioxide and ammonia. Okay, these baking sodas are prepared, and their chemical names are water sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, it is the chemical name sodium bicarbonates, and it is also sodium hydrogen carbonate also called, and their formula are NaSCO3. NaSCO3, sodium bicarbonate, and this sodium bicarbonate are prepared by a reaction of NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. Okay, NH3 water, ammonia. Here the form water sodium bicarbonate NaSCO3 plus ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Okay, this is water baking soda. Okay, and this baking soda are largely used for making the baking powders. Water, this is used for making baking powder. Okay, baking powder, and these baking powders are mixtures of water, NaSCO3, that is the water, baking soda, and some malleable acids, that is the some weak acids are also used here, that is what are tartaric acids. Tartaric acids. Okay, and these baking powders are used for preparation of bread. Okay, because that times they are the react with acids or malleable acids, then CO2 gas are released, and the bubble of CO2 gas are released, and these bubbles are help to spongy. Okay, the bread, that's why the bread are spongy. Next, the number 5 type of salt. This is also most important salt, that is our washing soda. Okay, washing soda, this soda chemical names are what are sodium carbonates. What are the chemical name? Sodium carbonate. And the formula are Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Okay, the sodium carbonate washing soda, and this washing soda are prepared by sodium carbonate plus water, Na2CO3 plus 10H2O, then prepare water Na2CO3 10H2. It is an hydrated salt because here water molecules are present in dissolved form. Okay, and this washing soda are mainly used in glass, soap and paper industries. Okay, washing soda are used in glass, soap and paper industries, and it is also for use to remove the permanent hardness of these waters. Okay, when the hard water are changed to soft water, then this washing soda are used, and it is used as a for washing purpose or cleaning purpose. We are use this washing soda. Next, the another type of salt, that is the plaster of Paris. Number 6. Okay, plaster of Paris, it is most important salts, and their chemical name are calcium sulfate hemihydrated. Calcium sulfate hemihydrated. Okay, calcium sulfate hemihydrated, and their formula are CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay, it is most important because question will come their formula and chemical names. Plaster of Paris water, chemical name calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half H2O. Okay, and this plaster of Paris are prepared when we are heated gypsum up to 373 kelvins. The gypsum formula are CaSO4.2H2O, and it is also one hydrated salt. Then heated 373 Kelvin, then change to plaster of Paris CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 3 by 2 H2O. Okay, this is what are plaster of Paris. And this plaster of Paris again we are add water, then change to water gypsum. Okay, this gypsum, it is an hydrated salt and it is a water of crystallization. When this is the some compounds, they have the present water like CaSO4.5H2O, that is the water blue vitriols. Okay, this is the water of crystallization. They are present in crystal form, and here some water, fixed number of water molecules are present. And this plaster of Paris are used that time the fracture of bone. Their uses are most important. That time the fracture of bone, for the fit joining of this bone, the doctors are use this plaster of Paris. Okay, for joining this bone. And also it is used for many toys and statue also, and for decoration or decorative purpose also this plaster of Paris are uses. Okay, so this is the some salt we have discussed, and this is the most important because the salt are come in exams. Okay, I hope all of you are watched till the end of this video. Okay, thank you for watching.